pick up the phone to everybody else, see what they've got to offer, then ring Vanaways and get the right deal. Yeah, so Lex Hygiene is a interior and exterior cleaning specialist company. So we've got 3 different businesses within our remits. We've got Lex, which is our air ventilation, grease extraction and fire damper test inside of the business. We've also got Blue Whale, which you can see our vans behind us, which is our exterior cleaning business. Everything from your roof down to your patio, your driveway, your fire escapes, we can clean it all. We also now offer pest control inside our business as well through our kill germ side of the business. So each van for the different areas of our business is set up individually. Blue Whale, for instance, we've got a full soft wash setup in here, and the 2 Blue Whale window cleaning vans have got full pure water deionized systems that are set up in those vehicles. So Lex Hygiene works very well as being a subcontractor to a lot of FM companies. So we want to be that one phone call that covers all of our services that we can offer. So, you know, rather than having to find an exterior cleaner, a duct cleaning company, a fire damper testing company, somebody that can do your pest control, we can deal with it all on one phone call in-house with one team making all the bookings for your jobs and looking after your site for its hygiene compliance. So at the moment we've got quite a few good, really good contracts going on. So we're working with Bassett Law District Council and Worksop Town Council on the Pride of Place to help rejuvenate the town centre. In fact, we were actually on it yesterday, was the first day of starting. Cleaning the high street, bringing it back to nice and clean and removing a lot of built up grime in the area to help people give a lot more pride in their place, bring people back to the high street. Oh, look, having a vehicle that's reliable is really important. Nothing worse than making a booking with a client and having to let them down because something's failed on the van and you can't get to site. All of our vehicles at the moment are diesel. It just works, isn't it? And it's worked for a long time. We are looking to move these over to being electric, certainly with the evolution of what's going on in the electric market. Batteries are getting better, the ranges are getting better, and they're really good looking vans as well. So we are looking to help reduce our carbon impact and reduce obviously our cost to the business. You know, fuel's through the roof at the moment. So if we can help reduce that by using more electric vans, then that's all going to help the bottom line of the business. So using Vanaways has actually been a bit of a fresh air. So previously we'd have to go to each individual manufacturer, find out what they've got to offer, what deal it is, and we're always trying to sift through that on top of running the business. Vanaways made it really easy just to get in touch, you know, speak to the team there and give us a raft of different options for different vehicles, makes, manufacturers, and pricing options that we can look at fitting into our budget to replace these vehicles with. And you know, if you're turning up to site with a premium product, we want to make sure we look like a premium company. We're giving a premium service for the prices that we charge. So yeah, making sure we update our fleet is really important to us. We couldn't run our business without our vans. Every single site we go to, up and down the country, from Glasgow Airport down to Wicks in Exeter. We've got a team down at Brands Hatch at the moment. You know, we cover the whole of the UK. You couldn't do it without a van, without being able to carry the stock we need, the tools we need, and making sure the teams are all taken care of. So having the right fleet turn up, the big Blue Whale van we've got behind us here, we need to be able to stand up in there. It's got a full soft wash kit in there. It carries long brushes, it carries all of our cleaning equipment, our whirlaways. You couldn't do that in, say, a small Transit Connect. But when you turn up to site as well, obviously with a fully emblazoned van, you're not just a one-man band. You know, people expect when we're speaking to them on the phone and we're giving them our prices and we're telling them the service we're going to offer, we turn up in a fully emblazoned van, fully uniformed. It's what they're expecting. You know, you turn up looking the part to do the right job. You've got to warrant your price. Well, from initial inquiry, the team were very quick to get onto the case. Spoke to us almost straight away. Helped us find out exactly what we were looking for. Didn't just say, okay, brilliant, you've told us you want this. They actually came back with a couple of different options to say, well, have you considered this in the market? I think we ended up with a Nissan Primastar. However, what we were looking for was a Vivaro, but the Vivaro's changed, so that they were able to give us that information, something we were unaware of. But they were able to give us the right information to make sure actually we're replacing things on our fleet, almost like for like, for the size and space that we need. Found it very quick and easy to deal with. Actually, I think the van arrived quicker than we anticipated, so it sat around here for 3 or 4 days waiting for my driver to be ready. Yeah, they've obviously got lots of experience of speaking to lots of different trades, lots of different businesses, and seeing what the businesses need on the ground, as opposed to just going, well, we've listed it on a website, call us and we'll send you whatever you told us you want. Actually, we felt they listened to us to find the right thing that suits what we're looking for, not just supply it to sell another box. Yeah, there've been a nice uplift, to be honest. Let's say we've got this Nissan at the moment, and all of the guy who's driving it won't let anybody drive it, and all the rest of the team are kind of like, we want one of them ones. So yeah, it's been really good, and it's obviously helps us with regards to speaking to the team about what else do you want to do. Well, we want to get a new van like that. Okay, well, we all know we need to raise our standards then if that's what we all want to have. So I think the fleet aim would be to replace the majority of our vans with those Nissans, because they've got the warranty, they've got, they look well, and they're very well spec'd. So yeah, it's just finding the right vans in the right time, isn't it? It's really important to have somebody that you can pick up the phone to, you can tell them what you're looking for, and almost you're handing your problem to somebody else. This is your problem, you need to replace that vehicle. So when we get ready to replace this van, it'll be a phone call to say, right, I need a van that's X long, X tall, needs to have X carry weight. There you are, that's now your problem. And what we found with Vanaways is that they're able to come back to us and give us options that say, right, look, these fit into what you're looking for, and these are what we're looking at price-wise. It makes life a lot easier for all of us, I think. As the business is growing, and I want to turn Blue Whale into being like auto glasses for windscreens, I want to turn us into washing for houses, across the country. So my aim is to grow this into a much larger business. For that, we are going to need to get a regular supply of vans that are going to need to be the right spec to be able to do the right thing. And having a partner on play that you can just pick up the phone to when needed is really, really important. So there's some funding that's coming available at the moment that we are looking to tap into to help us improve or reduce our carbon footprint, but help us improve our productivity and move into the next generation of electric vans that are coming through. And it's certainly a conversation that at the moment is actually just starting with Vanaways, but that's definitely going to continue as we're going forwards to, we need to update our fleet to keep on with the new world's requirements, really, isn't it? It's made our lives a lot easier because you're dealing with one point of contact that just goes, there we are, we're taking care of it. Time is so precious in every business. I'm here a business development manager at Lex, and I spend a lot of time. One of the girls in the office says I've got about 15 tabs open in my head. I've got lots of things that I'm spinning at the same time. But actually being able to, as I say, just take that problem that you're trying to solve right now, I need a vehicle, and give it to the specialists that just go, we'll deal with that problem for you. And I think that's why Vanaways is really important.